Hi there. From within Google Gemini, if you go to Explore Gems, you will see that there is an experimental gem called Storybook. You can click on Storybook. Storybook will allow you to create an age-appropriate children's book about a topic that you decide you can write in your query. You can then click enter, and what you'll notice then is that Gemini will start the process of creating your storybook. It will start by writing the first draft and then creating the illustrations and then completing the book. We're not going to watch the entire process in real time. We're going to stop the video here. We are going to pick it up from the next stage in the process. You will then see that the story is then completed inside of Google Gemini. You can turn pages at the top cover and you can have the book narrated. We can click on listen before the narration. We can decide how we want the book to be narrated and then click listen.
The leader who learned to serve. Project leaders, announced Ms. Anya, will be chosen by your teams. Leo's hand shot up. He wanted to be in charge. His group, Maya, Sam, and Chloe, all voted for him. "I'll be the best leader ever," Leo declared, puffing out his chest. Leo's first act as leader was to give orders. "Maya, you draw the poster. Sam, you write the report. Chloe, you find all the research. I'll supervise and make sure you all do it right." He sat back with his arms crossed, watching them. Soon, things started to go wrong. Maya couldn't decide what to draw. "Leo, what's the most important part to illustrate?" she asked. "Just make it look good," Leo said, not looking up from his phone. Meanwhile, Sam was stuck on the introduction. He had all the facts, but he didn't know how to start. "A good report needs a strong opening," Leo told him, "so just write one." He offered no ideas, no help, just another order. Chloe returned with a huge stack of books, dropping them on the table. "I got the research," she panted. "Great," said Leo. "Now find the best 5 facts." He didn't offer to help her look through the heavy pile. Seeing their sad faces, Leo felt a pang of guilt. He remembered what Ms. Anya had said. A leader helps the team succeed. He hadn't been helping at all. He'd just been bossing. The next day, Leo came in with a new plan. "I'm sorry," he said. "I wasn't being a good leader. Let's start over." He turned to Maya. "What do you think is the most exciting idea to draw? Let's brainstorm together." He then went to Sam. "You have so much great information. Let's read the first paragraph you wrote out loud and see how we can make it even stronger." Together, they found the perfect opening sentence. Finally, he joined Chloe on the floor, surrounded by books. "Wow, you found so much. Let me help you sort through these." They worked together, high-fiving when they found a perfect fact. The team was finally working like a team. Their final presentation was a huge success. "You all worked so well together," said Ms. Anya. Leo smiled. He learned that being a true leader wasn't about being in charge, but about taking care of your team.
So, as you can see, you can create a children's book inside of Gemini. You can then share that book using a link. You can also print the book here in this area. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.